Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Gemini for writing. So if you have a task, for example, a homework about writing an essay or a summary, you can just use a Google Gemini to help you. So first you can just open the Google Gemini on your phone or maybe on your computer. Then you can just enter the prompt. So for example, in here, I'm going to just write a prompt. Write me an essay about uh, uh, global warming prevention, for example. Submit, and here you can see Google Gemini will write you the essay that you want. And if you want to use it, you can just here click on the share button, and here you can share it with your friends, or you can also just click on the three dots icon, and here you can click on export to docs so that the essay will be saved as a Google Docs file. If you want to use or generate again, you can just write again in here. For example, write me or I'm going to just summarize the history of phone, for example. Submit, and you can see that the Google Gemini will help you again to summarize the history of telephone. You can also click on the three dots icon, and here you can choose to export it to Google Docs again, or make it as a Gmail draft, or you can also create a public link so you can share it directly, or just modify the rest one if you want to, or select specific text. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.